Hello. If you're watching this, that means you are watching the replay. So type hashtag replay. If you are hopping on, say hi. And today it's a special day in our house. It's my son's 12th birthday. So it was what is it, like a busy morning. We let him take off today because I know if it is what is it, like a school day, we used to have trips or something planned. So we usually have some of the holidays used, but this year being at home, he never got any what is it, like sick day or even a trip or anything. So we let him take off today. And so we just finished his cake cutting with my parents and my in-laws. And so it's what's like it's a busy morning. He's even though taking off, he has to finish all his homework for sure. So he's been doing that. So meanwhile, I thought I will hop on and talk about the hydration mist promo. Meanwhile, once again, thank you so much for whoever helped me for my what is the like silk promo, because I know all of you have already almost got the packages too, because it was too quick this time. And the packages that I sent, I think very few haven't reached, because I think Minnesota or Texas or who else haven't got it? I think even Michigan. So few of the places only they haven't got it. I know Texas haven't got the power too for so long. I know hope it's back for us. We were like it's not raining any day, but I know till next Tuesday it's going to be cold. And I even saw there is a third warning for another storm. Hope we all can stay safe. And for us it doesn't affect much being in south. I know for other colder places it's in minuses. I don't know how I lived in Chicago. Now I can't even imagine even zeros now. Even for 20s and 30s my body is accustomed. So like I really struggle some days, because that too with cloudy, we need to take him out for party and other things. So hope we all can enjoy some sunshine. For today it is really bright and sunny. Even though weather is a little low, we still have what is it, like a little sun outside. So for the hydration cereal mist, this is my what is it, like perfect one to have it for any time, because it can work in both ways. Because sometimes we think, have you heard of setting sprays from other brands? You can even use this similar to that, because it can go on top of the makeup, as well as it can go as a skincare item too. So and it particularly comes under our anti-aging category, because it again has vitamin A, E and C. So anytime when you have vitamin A, it is going to gently exfoliate your skin. So that is like a really good benefit, because that way your other things can penetrate well. And the more you exfoliate and keep the skin clear, it is going to help the other things to penetrate better, and even your makeup will adhere better. So if you see, I think tomorrow, I wanted to do today, since it was little busy, I couldn't do. Maybe tomorrow I will definitely do the multiple ways you can use this one. As you all know, this week when you buy $100 or more in the website, you get this $40 worth free. If you're someone who has dry skin, or if you feel dry with the winter, or sometimes, I know now we are not going to office, but if you are going to office, or sometimes when you are traveling, if you feel your skin is so tight during the day, this is like a quick mist you can spray on it. I will just do I just have my pecan foundation, so this will not break your makeup anytime. So you can always spritz it all over. So it's going to help. If you don't like to spritz like this, you can always spritz it in your hand and just press it all over, and it's going to get absorbed. Maybe I will show it in my hand, that way you can see. Do you see it? So once I apply, it will get absorbed immediately. But the cool thing about it is it has a concept called M3 molecule. What it does is it's going to pull back all the moisture in and it's going to lock it. So that way it is going to increase the moisture in your skin cells by 88%, not 1 or 2%. 88% in its first 30 minutes, I believe. So hi Kirti, thank you so much for hopping on. So it is like drinking your water for your skin, so that way it, and it, as you say, it is not going to be sticky or it's not going to break the makeup. So whether you wear it makeup or not, you can always spritz it all over. And the ways I like to do is I like to do before climate control. As you know, I always talk about climate control, how the hyaluronic acid is going to help hydrating the cells. By spritzing it before climate control, what this does is it's going to pull all the moisture in and lock it in. So that way it is like help other things that goes on top to have more moisture in. So that's the one benefit out of it. And the second thing is it has apple extract, which is going to give like a glowing effect actually, because it has like a very mild vanilla scent to it, like that's kind of because of the apple extract. That's how it feels, like a almondy vanilla texture to it. That's why actually my son really likes it, because for him anytime when he has dry patches, even today morning when he was getting ready for the pictures, he will just spritz it all over. That way it is like quick hydration for him. At the same time, it's not going to be sticky, or he doesn't have to. Hi Savita, good morning, thank you for hopping on. So that is one benefit with it. And anytime good morning Savita. So anytime when Sanajant brings something, it already has its Thanaplex complex, which is like a anti-aging benefits to it. But by adding this is like a multi-level anti-aging benefits. If you see, there are only few skincare products that is particularly categorized into anti-aging, our neck cream, what else, I think the retinol, something like that, and this product is one of that. But sometimes few products you will say it is like underrated. This is one of such product. It has so much value, and since being liquid, it lasts so long. I think I feel so happy when people can get to try these kind of things, because you cannot give it in a sample. So there is no way I can give this kind of liquid to people. So when they get it now and they use it, thank you so much Kitty. I got ready very very quick, because as I said, I need to go for pictures, and we did FaceTime with my in-laws and my parents to cut the cake. And now that with Cloudy, it is like a chocolate, like a black forest cake, so we were like protecting him not to eat the chocolate too. So it was like it was like so much going on today morning before I hopped on, and I had a big list now for him to make. Now that he's a teen, he turned 12 today, my son. So it was like mostly about food actually. So, and that too, he said he didn't want anything from outside. He wanted me to cook all his special food. So what else can make a mommy happy? So I was so happy when he said that. So I have to make his lunch now by maybe, but he's off today anyway. Was a half early release day for us, so we let him take off for today so that he can enjoy. So I have to cook his lunch, and he has a special what is it, like his favorite gopi manchurian for evening. So I already made his gulab jamun. So it is like he's a big foodie like me, so but like us, I should say. So he wanted all in food form, and so that's how. And it's a special thing that we get to enjoy being home and spend it, and that way we really get to enjoy, because it's been so long since we cut a cake, because usually his school will be around 7:30, so it will be like a morning chaos. So he has to cut the cake or do anything before that and just rush it to school. But today we were like getting ready very relaxedly, and he get to spend time how much ever he want to. So that way it is like Thank you, Kirti. Thank you so much. Today I wore, usually I don't wear the color that is not on, what is it like, not available, because I know once I wear, people will ask, and I know I need to go and say this color is not there. This is Crystal Mauve, which is one of my favorite. It's a sold out shade. So I wore Crystal Mauve with, what did I wear? I wore, I think I wore my Sweet Pea gloss. I think Sabita has it. Sweet Pea, Madeline, or few of the glosses are my go-to for any colors, like, because whether it's Amore or Bellissima and all, Bella, anything, you can top with these glosses that will go really, really well. And even I wore like a green pencil. Again, that is again a sold out shade, but sometimes you need it to coordinate with your dress. So this dress has many greens, so I wore like a green earring to go with it, and as I said, it was a quick get ready. So I just have pecan, I have green pencil, I have dusk shimmer, which is very light, and then I had lip sense. That's all I had. So what else is the benefits I need to? So if you are someone who has dry skin, then you can definitely try this, and this is good for even acne prone skin, because the gentle exfoliation, the vitamin A and all, always help with acne. So so if you are someone who is anyway, I had many customers who stocked up on their hair care last week and this week, because obviously you are going to spend that amount on the hair care or the skincare stock up. So that way this is like a completely free for you, which you can try. And similarly, if you don't have what is it like climate control, but you got the free silk last week, apply this before the silk, and that way silk can penetrate really, really well. And as I said, it has what I'm reading from here. Here it says it has hydrating ingredients like apple and kale extract to soothe moisture and help boost skin's radiance. So so that is why these kind of products can work for anyone. And this is a product, like for example, climate control comes under skincare, whereas this comes under what is it like more of a setting spray, even I would say. So whether you can wear before makeup or after makeup, that's completely fine. It's still not going to break it, and it is comes under the what is it like the FDA regulation for traveling, TSA regulation. So that's why it comes in a clear category, and it comes under that guidance of how much you can travel with liquid. So it's easy, even if you are traveling, you can still put it in your handbag and just take it. And I know when you travel, because the humidity and the air is different, you feel like your skin is getting tightened so much. So that time you can just spritz it all over. It is like do you remember the towelettes we get? It is like just to refreshen up, because you feel that because the air is circulating again and again. I know that happens when you are in a closed environment, and now that being winter, we all are inside in our house. This is such a nice way. And even for summer, if you are someone who goes for walk or anything like an activity, and you can keep this in refrigerator and come back and spritz it, it will feel so refreshing, because as I said, the almond scent kind of, it will feel you so refreshed actually. So that is the one thing. What else? I think I covered about the what's it like the shipping packages. I still have, I think, around 4 or 5 maximum to send out. I will make sure I package them today and drop it today or tomorrow. You will receive them too. As I said, stay safe. I know it's very, very cold in most of the places, and take care of your skin and take care of yourself first. And have a wonderful day, guys, and see you all soon in tomorrow's video. Tomorrow will be definitely a get ready video, but I will show multiple ways for you to use. This promotion is there till another 4 more days, till 21st, and that way you get it from website, and you can do both ways. See, whether you are doing CDO or whether you are doing Kiss and Tell, you will get in both ways. Kiss and Tell, you are going to register and pay $10, but you will get 10% off, because anyway, if you are going to get this, that means you have already crossed the $100. In that case, if you pay that $10, the 10% off is going to compensate anyway, or so that, and you are going to get the benefits of it for 1 whole year. So that way you are not losing anything, because that way you are going to get specific promotions for Kiss and Tell customers. And before I even said it, I heard that all the customers who had online orders, they all got the mail about this promotion too. So that way Sanagents will keep you track of it, and even send out all the what to say, like a sale or anything to you directly, because I come to know the same day as you guys. So I will come to know by early morning, because I live in Charlotte, NC. So I get to know around 3 o'clock to early morning, because it's 12 o'clock at California time. So it will be that time. So when I get up around 6, that's when I will come to know about the promotion, and I can post it on the same day. But I think you guys also get it if you have registered it. So make sure you use the promotion to try these kind of fun stuff and stock up if you have something in mind, because these are like nice to have things in your collection. And once you try it, you know the benefits of it. As I was saying, when it does the gentle exfoliation like our cleanser, because our cleanser is again called 3-in-1, because it cleanses, tones, and it exfoliates, gently exfoliates every single day. So that's why adding a cleanser makes a huge difference in your skincare line. So similarly, these products are going to have that gentle exfoliation you need. At the same time, it's not going to irritate your skin at all. So have a wonderful day, guys. See you all soon.